If YouTube's 60 FPS videos are lagging in Google Chrome, stuttering, or dropping frames, this video will help you fix it step by step. I'll show you the quickest settings to change inside Chrome, how to update your graphics drivers, how to disable extensions that may be slowing playback, and how to turn off AV1 decoding if that is causing the issue. These fixes can make a big difference if you want smoother video playback, especially on higher frame rate videos. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu, then go to Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and click System. Here you should see an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If this setting is turned off, switch it on. Hardware acceleration allows Chrome to use your GPU instead of relying only on the CPU, which can improve 60 FPS video decoding and reduce lag while watching YouTube. After turning it on, click Relaunch so Chrome can restart and apply the change. Once Chrome opens again, test the same YouTube video and see if playback is smoother. In many cases, this one setting alone can solve the issue. But if you are still seeing lag, the next thing you should do is update your graphics driver. To update your GPU driver, press Windows plus X on your keyboard and click Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. You will see your graphics card listed here, such as Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD. Right-click your graphics card, then choose Update Driver. Select the option to search automatically for drivers if that appears. Updated graphics drivers can improve video playback performance, fix decoding problems, and help Chrome handle 60 FPS content more efficiently. Once the update is complete, restart your computer if needed and test YouTube again. If the video is still lagging, the next step is to disable extensions that may interfere with playback. Go back to Chrome, click the three dots menu, then open Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Here, look for anything that could affect video playback, such as ad blockers, video enhancers, VPN extensions, or dark mode extensions. Try turning them off one by one, especially if the issue started recently after installing one of them. Some extensions can interfere with YouTube rendering, slow down the page, or conflict with video decoding, so disabling them is a very important troubleshooting step. Now let's check the AV1 setting, because this is another common cause of lag on YouTube. Open the YouTube video tab that is giving you trouble. Right-click directly on the video and select Stats for Nerds. This will show you useful playback information, including whether frames are dropping. If you see dropped frames or poor playback performance, the issue may be related to AV1 decoding. To fix that, go to YouTube's playback settings and set AV1 preferences to SD only. That tells YouTube to use a different video format that may be easier for your system to handle, which can reduce lag and improve smoothness. After making these changes, reload the video and test it again. Ideally, you should notice smoother playback, fewer dropped frames, and much better performance on 60 FPS videos. If the problem is still not fully gone, repeat the steps carefully and make sure Chrome, your GPU driver, and your extensions are all updated and optimized. And that is how you fix YouTube's 60 FPS lagging on Google Chrome. Start with hardware acceleration, update your graphics drivers, disable problematic extensions, and adjust AV1 preferences if needed. These simple steps solve the problem for many users without needing any advanced tools. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more easy fixes and computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.